Well, Bobby is home safe and sound in her hospital cage. As you can see, she has decent appetite, but something is wrong. Hi, Bird. Despite eating, being alert, being interested in her surroundings, she's not able to digest anything that she eats right now. She is really struggling for every poop she takes, even though she really, really wants seeds, really, really wants water. Hey, baby. She may not be with us for very much longer. I do think that sending her home with what is now Valentine's family was in her best interest. She had a long time in their huge, comfortable, spacious, incredibly perfect enclosure. Like, oh my God, guys. I would just about kill for anybody to make the enclosure that Bobby was in for any of my birds. Yes, Bird. Yes, Bird. Oh, I know, baby. I know, baby. So, her mother did not take this long. She died very suddenly of a calcified heart. So I'm wondering if Bobby's probably kidneys? I know when it's rats and they start getting thin like this, even with a good appetite, it's kidneys. Birds are very little like rats. So I can't treat that like it's any kind of a guarantee. But that's the first thing I'm going to look at if she doesn't make it and we end up having to necropsy her. No, it's about 70 degrees in the loft at any given time. That's what we try to cool it to when it's hot. That's what we try to warm it to when it's cold. It stays 70 in here year round. But she's just struggling. I've seen her poop a couple times. Like, it's really physically hard for her to pass. Like, she just doesn't even have the muscle mass to squeeze it out. This is definitely not a result of her attempted family's care. This is probably something congenital. And they gave Bobby the happiest month they could have given her. Now, unfortunately, right now, vets are a little overwhelmed. So I may end up having to go back to dealing with things on my own as if I don't have access to a vet. Not sure how that'll go. We'll keep everybody updated. So, some interesting news today. Bird came in the house and met Anku. So, y'all have seen Bird out here for the past couple of months. And while she gets around in here just fine, she knows where food and water is, she's nested herself a nest, she doesn't talk to the other pigeons. You never see her make any noise in response to them. If she talks, it's to me. Some words clicked for Bird today. Yeah, I'm talking about you. I am talking about you. It's my girl. she learned to understand what help up means. Yeah. She can tell I'm not quite arm's reach away from her. If she wants to be close enough to be picked up, she'll come to me. Or she'll come to the sound of my voice. So, I don't think she does right now. I think right now she's just listening. Yeah, that sweet bird. That bird's just listening. Hi, Pippin. Hi, bird. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I'm talking to that bird. I know, I am. I'm talking to that girl. There's people looking at you. Yeah. Hi, Mia. But we're thinking about letting Bird come in and bond with Coo. I don't know if anything will come of that. Are the other birds getting too close to you, baby? Yeah, the other birds are getting too close to her. I don't think she likes being out here with this many other birds. She was okay with Anku, who, believe it or not, was actually polite enough to ease off when I let him know that, hey, buddy, you're coming on a little strong there. No. Don't chew beads. They can't actually break these, but still, I don't want them to get in the habit of chewing beadwork, because it would be their luck that somebody would come in with a more threadbare piece of clothing that they actually could get the beads off of. This was a bad decision on my part. No, don't chew it. Just gonna have to tuck as much of that under myself as possible. Pay attention to what they're doing. Bird, that was unnecessary. Escher's allowed to be there. Escher is allowed to be there, Bird. She got really excited when Coo tried to drive her. She fought him back and then moved where he steered her. Now, under normal circumstances, taking the other bird away makes bringing them back dangerous. Because the bird that remained thinks, ha, I chased them off. But this is an intruder. Coo knows a significant amount of English and has taken, for my husband's benefit, to nodding a yes answer for him. He knows what the word nod means. Oh, bird. Yeah, we'll have to work out some logistics for you. Hi, Lily. Don't eat my beads. Bird, you don't have to snap at Lily. It's okay. It's okay. That's an excited girl. You want to see that Coo again? You want to see that Coo again? Oh, that's quite a bird. Not tonight. It's late. Once we work some stuff out for you, you can come see him again. Bird being a special needs individual, we're going to have to work out some bird specific rearrangements for the living room. Probably bumpers around the electronics. Maybe something along the lines of a baby gate to the kitchen. We'll see. Coo was so excited to meet her that one of the first places he took her was to show her where the food was. He grabbed her by the shoulder feathers and marched her straight into his food corner. Sissy. Oh, yeah, Sissy's wife went home today. Former wife. He wasn't interested in mating with her anymore. He just liked having her in his nest. So, there's, once again, a little bit of a power vacuum. And we'll see how that resolves itself, probably in the next few days. And honestly, I'm gracious. I don't know if I even caught that, but Puddin' and Luxie ran into each other. And, I'm betting on Ellie ending up in Sissy's nest box. Is that a Lily on my head, or is that a Gus? Nope, Gus is over there. Who's this on my head? No, and Lily is over there. Who is this on my head? You're big and heavy. Is it Cody? Nope, Cody's over here. Who is this? Oh, it's Vinny. It's a Vinny. That's a heavy man. We've got Bobby set up in a hospital cage here in the loft because the entire time she's been a guest in Zephyr's home, she's been in isolation. No, Gus. That's my good girl. Oh my good Lord. Puddin'. Yeah. Hi, Sissy. That was a Lily up there. I have a Sissy on my head. Don't eat that. That's not for Gus. It's not for Gus. Pets are for Gus. Soft preening is for Gus. Hey, Betty. You are quite a handsome man, no, Gus. Don't eat the beads. Really should have known better than to wear this skirt out here. Playing with the long ones is fine. Don't tug in earnest on the little round ones, no. That's still a Sissy on my head. Pat, 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 pat. Let me see your little feet. Gus, Gus, good girl. So, Lily is interested in Bird. But Bird is not friendly nodding at Lily. Otherwise, she wouldn't be taking snaps at him. Sorry, a lot of stuff happened this afternoon between Bird and Anku that I'm really excited about, but have no way to articulate succinctly or eloquently right now. Oh, hi, Puddin'. Hey, Vinny. Quit chewing that. Quit chewing that. Nope. Don't chew it. And pet this girl. And pet this girl. Oh, you're fine. Oh, Vinny disagrees. Oh, I wonder. Tell me Ellie doesn't look just like her dad. Just perfectly shaped like him in miniature. Inherited part of her mom's little frame. I have a pudding preening my scalp. What a sweet girl. No. Bird, it's okay. It's okay. They're not after you. See how quick we can get stuff taken care of for you. Okay? We'll clean up the living room real good. Hey, Cody. Okay, so we are approaching sign-off time for the evening. And we would like to, along with our clients and adopters, thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our patrons on Patreon. the friends of our business page on Facebook. And our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for their contributions, both financial and intellectual. Hey, quick reminder, the Ramsey Loft sells craft feathers. Sorry guys, it's been a long day and I'm getting very tired. It's like 8:30 at night. So, my loves, I will see you tomorrow after cleaning.